Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make any Android phone look like a Windows phone. So at first go to the Google Play Store and in the search box type Launcher 10 and then open this one, select this one and then see it's only 17 MB in size, 10 lakh plus downloads. So click on install, it will start installing it. So see, launcher 10 is now installing and it has 12,000 reviews, 17 MB in size, rated for 3 plus 10 lakh plus downloads. And then see, it is installing. See, this is the icon and it is almost done. So see, it is now completely installed and then it is scanning for any viruses. It is secure, so you can open it and see. So it will ask select a home app when you press this button. So click on remember my choice and then click on launcher 10. So see, it is now starting. So see, it is now started. All apps, see, it is looking like a Windows phone now. Previously it was looking like an Android, but now see, your phone is now looking like a Windows phone. Preferences, see, there are some settings and there are a lot of settings. You can view them and can turn off my internet because it has some ads. For example, general, if I go to general, here are some apps and start screen. See, here are some start screen settings, and if I open any one of them, for example, if I open Chrome, see, it can open Chrome. And gallery, see, it is the gallery opened, and here are some other apps that you can open, for example YouTube. See, so see, everything is working and you can use this and you can pin more apps. For example, I am pinning this Adobe Acrobat, so pin to start. See, it is now in start and you can arrange them. You can also change your wallpaper. You can change any wallpaper from here. For example, this home screen. See, it is now black in wallpaper. And add widget, you can add any widget directly from here. For example, I can add calendar. Click on create. You can select style. I can select white. See, it has now widget also, so you can use this easily. And you can change many things in launcher preferences. You can also change icons and theme and colors. Theme, you can set the light theme also. Currently I can go with dark only. So see, and now if you want to go back to your Android, you can just go to all apps and then search for settings. Select settings and then scroll down and go to apps and go to manage apps, and in the search box type launcher 10. Launcher 10. Scroll down and search for launcher 10. So I found it. Click on uninstall, click on OK. And now this app will be uninstalled. See, uninstalled successfully. And now see, you are back to your Android, and you can also change your wallpaper to back it was. So thanks for watching.